Hello, I'm back with another unboxing for you guys, and this time I got some more postcard from RedBubble. And yeah, I actually ordered two things from RedBubble. I ordered some postcard, which they're here first, and I also ordered a shirt, like a hoodie from them as well, but they shipped them separately. So I received the postcard first, so I'm gonna do an unboxing for this first, and then I'll probably connect the videos again, and when the shirt arrived. Yeah, and I'm kind of mad that, like, you can see the tape right here. Like, they kind of rip this part off, and then they probably check what's inside, and then they just, like, tape it back, which this never happened to me before. I mean, especially with RedBubble stuff. But yeah, I don't know what, like, why, but okay. Okay, so let's just get started. There it goes, the logo again. It's really glossy. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but yeah. Sticker. Okay. Alrighty. Postcard, the Shibuya postcard, 109 postcard. And yeah, there you go. Really pretty. There you go. This is a fan art drawing of their outfits. It's really cute. I don't remember. This is when they went to the, like, I don't know what kind of what show is it? When they came to the US. But yeah. There you go. And this is a DNA postcard of J-Hope's hand. I love the vibrant color. It was so pretty. Yep. And if you're wondering about the artist, it's right here. Usually it was shown right here. I don't know if you can. No, this way. Here's another J-Hope postcard of Spring Day. Really colorful. I love it. Here's the artist again. And we have Namjoon, the princess. Finally completed. So pretty. I just love how she drew the outfit and the coloring. So pretty. And there you go. This is her name, I guess. I can't really pronounce it, but yep. And I just add this one in here. I just thought they looked so gorgeous. This is Yoongi and Namjoon as Yoongi and Namjoon. Oh my god, as women. They would look so attractive. Don't you guys think so? So pretty. Look at Namjoon. Sexy lady. And Yoongi. Oh, it's down there. Looks so pretty. Huh? Here's the artist again. Ooh. I'm sorry for not focusing. And we have Tae for DNA. Again, I love the vibrant color. So just look how good it is. It looks so good. Just like the flower. There you go. Ooh, the artist again. And then, last but not least, we have Not Today. Postcard of the boys. They're looking gorgeous. Artists. Like, to be honest, I was just gonna get the Namjoon Prince one. That was the main one that I was gonna get. But like, if you buy like around 8 postcard, then you get like a 20% off that thingy. So I guess it is cheaper to purchase them like that. That's why I always purchase them in, like, yeah. So I just decided to add them in the chart, because in the cart, I mean. Yeah, because I was originally gonna get just this one. But yeah. All right, and these are the postcard I got this time. I mean, they're looking so gorgeous and pretty. Alright, there we go. And, alright, until the next video. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing for you guys. And this time I got quite a few BTS package. I mean, yeah, they're all BTS related once again. So yeah, let's just get started. Let me get into the smaller package first. Okay. Isn't this the cutest package ever? I think the seller sent this to me during holiday, like Christmas. That's why I was wrapping this really cute wrapping papered. Pepper, okay. Yeah, paper. Alright, so let's just get started. I feel like I'm opening like a Christmas present. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute. She wrote, "Please handle with care." Okay. Oh my god, I hope I don't cut anything. Oh my gosh. Okay, this way. Okay. Photocard. Looks like there's here. Oh yeah, it is. Oh my god. Wait. Oh god. Oh no. Like what? It came out of the sleeve. Okay. Oh god. As you can tell, it's the soap card. For now 3, finally completed the set. Okay. Alright, let's put that away. And here's another package. Photo card again. Not a good idea. Can't open this way. Oh my gosh. Come on! Oops. I see it. It's down here. Oops. I hope it slides right out. Yes. Oh, this will give me some BB cream. It looks like freebies. Thank you. Okay. Oh my god. Like, finally I'm making some progress for this photo card set. Oh. And as you can tell, it is. Oh. Come on. Okay. Oh yay. Finally. Ta-da! So precious. Okay, it was taped down, so I'm not gonna take them out, but okay, somebody was knocking the door, so I'll be right back, okay? Okay, let's move on to the next package. Like guys, I don't even want to open this package because I feel like it was damaged. So I'm just hoping it's not what I think it is. So yeah, let's just get started. Yes, it is damaged. I'm so mad. Like, I'm so mad, guys. I'm so mad. I'm just hoping everything is okay. Oh. Just look at this, guys. Ah, gosh. I don't know. But as you can tell, it is BTS Mediheal time BTS mask package. This is the version I got. And, like, I want to get all of them, but they're so expensive, so yeah, this is the only one I'm getting for now, at least. Okay, oh. So there you get. Okay, thank God everything is not damaged. Okay, I'm excited for these cards. Okay, but yeah, they came in like 5 masks of these DNA protein masks. Like, I'm not a mask person, so I'm really excited to use them. The other day, my sister actually got me some masks for a present for Christmas, which I'm really excited to use, actually. Okay, the green one, tea tree. And there you go, we have... Ooh, focus. There you go. You can read it, right? There you go. So I guess these are the pick, yeah. You can read it for yourself, there you go. Okay. Okay. So let's just get into the photo card. Oh my god. What? What? Okay. Oh, it's actually saying not for sale right here. They're so beautiful. They're angel. Oh no, 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 no. Sticker. Oh gosh. Please don't do this to me. Oh, focus. God, I don't want to rip this thing. Oh, there you go. Ooh. Oh. Okay. Oh, beautiful angels. These are really long, actually. I hope it focus. Yeah. It was like, I don't know. It was like they're whitewash. So they're like also white and looking like angel. Here's just Mediheal. Okay, I'm just gonna show them really quick. Okay. Sugar. Okay. It looks so good. Beautiful. Jungkook. Jen looks so handsome. Black hair, guys. Hobie. Jiminy. And back to Namjoon. Alright, and here's the last package, which is from RedBubble. This is a shirt I ordered from them. So I'm just gonna open them up. This is my first time ordering shirt or clothing from them, so I'm not sure how the quality is, but we will see. Oh wow. Okay, so it came in this tag right here. Oh, so cute, look. Look at this clip. Oh my god. Oh my god, so cute. Like, it has like a smell, I don't know, maybe a front print. The print. Oh, like, okay, I'm gonna show you in my bed, okay? Just a moment. And this is how it looks like. I bought this in large because I like to wear my sweater kind of big, so. And I love these phrases, so I gotta get this shirt. And right here. If you weren't in Bantan, what would you like? What would you be doing right now? And this is what his answer in one of their like interview thingy. If you know what I'm talking about, I'll be a sexy porn star. And this phrase, it just makes me laugh. If I have a son, I'm going to name him Kimchi is Good. And from one of their run episode. And Let's Go Party Turn Up. This is from what is it? American Hustle Life, or yeah. And I have an elephant on my body, which is on his arm. So adorable. And Gucci Boy, we all know that, right? And Stop Talking, Dead Skin, Dead Skin Self are coming out of your mouth. This is when they're on the show Knowing Brothers. And he said to Jen. And I accidentally cut off my real bangs. I thought I died. This is from the Run movie videos making, where he accidentally cut his bangs. He's so adorable. And this movie came out when I was still with my dad. I don't remember where this come from, but I'm pretty sure I heard this somewhere. And yeah, it's just a photo of him from DNA. So adorable. And this is just, I don't know if you can read it. Oh my god, I don't think you can read it. It's so bright. Yeah, but okay. And this thing just comes stuck like this here. Yep. And it has two pockets. And there you go. This is how the fabrics look like. I think it's really good, actually. So yeah. And these are the strained. Oh my gosh. Yep, this is just how it looks like. And this black pan playing in the back. Okay. And this is, oh, okay. Alrighty. I'm just gonna put everything right here since, oh, and it came with the stickers, by the way. And these are the Photocards I got. And freebies. Alright, and that's all for this video. I'm sorry for the bad quality and right now and shakiness. But I hope you guys enjoy. And until the next video. Bye!